everybody, it's Justin Blackwell. We are here with Stihl Incorporated at the Green and Growin Show 2025 in Greensboro, North Carolina. We wanted to show you around our booth a little bit, show you what we have to offer. So first, we have one of our staffs here, demo trailer, showing off what a battery trailer would look like, full of professional battery-powered Stihl power equipment, outfitted with racks, charging systems. Stihl has thought about what you would need in the field as you're going out to your jobs, being able to charge the equipment, being able to use what you need for your professional jobs to make money for yourselves, whether it be your table to workshop. Also, some new products we have throughout here. Whether it's professional or homeowner use, we got new products to show you this year at the show. We have our TSA 300 with a 12-inch cut quick wheel. And we have our 910i. Some of our bigger cutoff saws have fuel injection added to them. We have just released our AK and AP battery powered pressure washers. This is our professional version here. So your compartment where your battery slides directly into it, super compact, only about 12 pounds of weight. You can use it and store it, and whether it be a nice trailer or underneath your shop door. Whether it's battery powered or whether it's gas, we show a lot of it here at the show. We have our BGA 300 battery backpack blower. We also have our BR 800X Magnum. We're showing off our ADA 1000. This is an adapter that you can use instead of the big bank battery. Maybe you're not doing as much longer and bigger jobs. You can use the adapter here and just slide your AP batteries directly into this adapter. New tote bag. Showed you the charging management system, but let me show you some of the mowers we have to offer this year. We've had battery powered mowers for some time. In the year 2024, we released our first line of gasoline push mowers, veritable self-propelled. These mowers right here have a one-touch deck lift design. Easily removable grass catcher. And then the mower also folds up for easy storage or to be able to change out your blades or sharpen. We have released our homeowner series, the 453T and the 453V, the V being variable speed self-propelled, the T being a single speed. Lighter, easier to use. These mowers are built to work. These are the gas-powered ones right here, and also we wanted to show our battery-powered versions as well. With limited options and gas push mowers, Stihl has an option for you. Let me show you some of the most popular tools this year. This year we are releasing the KOA 20 battery air inflator. This is a tire inflator that runs off our AS Tool platform, uses this volt battery. Plug it directly into the back. You have this LCD screen. You can choose what PSI you would like your tire to be pumped up to. Screw that onto the valve stem, hit start, and it will pump it up to that tire pressure that you desire. Also, an emergency roadside always happens at night. You have a flashlight to be able to see what you're doing. On the bottom here, you'll see multiple different tips, so not just for valve stems on tires, whether it be your basketballs at home, whether it be inflatables or toys, and then also the big one here, whether it be an air mattress in an emergency. You have all these tools and accessories stored right here on the bottom side. So super versatile tool. Anybody that has mowers, we know that you always need something like a tire compressor at handy, and this is it for you. Another new tool to be released in 2025 is the RCA20. This is a battery spot cleaner, 350 PSI. Comes in a bag. You see the unit right there. Also uses the same battery that you saw in the tool before. This allows you for completely mobile pressure washing, something like a lawnmower, patio furniture, bicycles, smaller jobs. You can use this bag right here, fill it up with water, go 300 yards into the woods and pressure wash your deer stand. So you do not have to have readily accessible water. You can carry that water for you. Also, it comes with the hose, so you can drop it into a bucket and pressure wash that way, or hook it up to your garden hose. You got multiple different options, just another versatile tool that we can be able to utilize with battery powered equipment. Also, we have the SEA 100 battery powered vacuum. Another neat tool. So tons of different options. The GTA 26 we always bring here to show at the Green and Grow show, whether you're pruning crepe myrtles, all those pruning needs before the springtime. This tool right here with a 4-inch blade, AS2 battery, same battery that works in those two previous tools I showed you works on this GTA 26. You can see. Last year we released the GTA 26 extension. If you have not seen this, this is an extension pole that holds your GTA 26. And now you can get out of arm's length. Prune those higher limbs. I like to tell my customers as well, it's not just for limbs up high, but also if you got brush that's in where there's poison ivy, poison oak, brush, briars, you can use it to plunge in there to be able to clean that up before you go in there with just your hands. Is the HSA 26. Again, not a very new tool to Stihl, but always one great to show off at the Green and Growin show with a lot of nurseries around. The HSA 26 is versatile as well, whether you got the hedge trimmer attachment or the grass shear. If you're pruning shrubbery, this works just like a hedge trimmer, but with just a shorter blade. For this blade that comes with it, it's really good for monkey grass, liriope, those feathery grasses that don't have a hardy vein to them. This tool also comes battery charger and everything in a kit for you. Tons of specials that we have going on through Stihl to all of our Stihl dealers this year. Our friends over at Quality Equipment next door to us, thank you for allowing us to be on your video. We appreciate you very much, and we'll see you this spring.